family court is a complicated place because it's dealing with the law, and the law is a complex subject area. And sometimes, as a party, as a client, you will go into court with an expectation of what is going to happen and what you're going to achieve, and you will leave having been thoroughly disappointed by what it is that happened, because it didn't approach what you were aiming for, what you were hoping for. The reality is that family court is structured into a set of boxes. And as you approach a court hearing, you will have one of those boxes with you that you're going to talk about. It might be a child matter, it might be a non-molestation, it might be a prohibited steps order, it might be a specific issue order, whatever it may be, but you are walking into court with one box. The court will limit itself to the contents of that box and that box only. So if you're hoping that you're going to get into court and you're going to, with your one box, but then you're going to start talking about the contents of 4 other boxes, the court is not going to tolerate that, and the court is not going to accommodate you. The court is going to say, we are here to talk about this, and this is all we're here to talk about. And all of those other subjects may be relevant, and all of those other subjects may need some attention, but that is not today. The purpose of today's hearing is to tackle this box, this issue, and this issue in isolation. So it's important to be aware of that, because as I say, people walk in and they're carrying the weight of their matter, they're carrying the weight of their own life. So they want to talk about the abuse, and they want to talk about the fact that he or she's not complying with the school instruction. They want to talk about the fact that this happened at parents' evening. They want to talk about the fact that this happened in the last handover. And they want to do all that. But that's not what the court wants to do, because otherwise every hearing would be absolute chaos. Every hearing would just fast descend into a free-for-all where everybody's got a view on something, and we would achieve nothing. So the court has to be incredibly focused in how it conducts itself, and the court operates, as I've said already, on this system of boxes. So when you go into a hearing, you're taking one box.